La, are you there? La la. La la. La la.
What are you doing?
Good, good.
Hi, Ezekiel. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Go, sir.
Are you pushing the buttons and ringing the doorbell?
Yeah. Go, you.
are.
Yeah. Go, sir.
All right. Is Mommy or Auntie Rebecca around there?
Yeah.
Okay, just to making sure.
Yeah, I go, sir.
Okay, good. I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah. So, what are you
Okay.
doing? What you doing?
I'm actually out in Gresham, kind of close to your house in here in Portland. Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
That's what I'm up to.
Oh.
Ha ha ha. Are you being silly? Are you standing on a step or are you standing on the ground?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Where you going, Uncle Sir?
I'm at home right now.
In Gresham.
Oh.
He's at the Gresham house.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. I love you.
I love you.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I talk to you later.
Good. All right, go on.